As we can see all around us in the world today, the enemy is trying to prevent marriage and destroy the family as God intended. The Bible tells us that these things will happen in the end times. 1 Timothy 4 verse 3, forbidding to marry and commanding to abstain from foods which God created to be received with thanksgiving by those who believe and know the truth. Also, the more men the enemy can convert to become women, the less men will marry and start families. The Bible says that a man who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. Proverbs 18 verse 22. A man receives favor when he marries. Wives bring with them the favor of the Lord. And also, all these men who decide that they now want to become women will also never be able to have biological children. And this also plays so well into the plan of the elite to lower the population rate. God honors marriage, firstly because Jesus' wedding to his bride is symbolized in a godly marriage, and also because the most emotionally strong and stable children with the most chance of success in life come from solid marriages where there is a mother and a father present in the household. Both the mother and the father are to be present in a family for the good and stable development of children. I don't need a man to have a baby movement is also demonic in nature and inspired by the Jezebel spirit. Both the mother and the father are equally necessary and equally important in a family because they have to fulfill different roles in the house and in the strong upbringing of children. When one parent is absent, the children suffer loss, which in turn will affect their emotional stability and their development. This is why there are so many adults today who are of an adult age, but they are still in a arrested development stage emotionally. These are usually adults who as children grew up in broken homes or violent upbringing or in abusive households. And these victims, although they are operating as adults in life, they are still trapped in their emotional child age of when the household trauma happened in their life. When a child had a good and stable upbringing in a godly household, that child will also then in turn again carry that blessing over his own children. The Bible says that God shows mercy and blessings to 1,000 generations of those who love him and obey his commandments.